Hey my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share my Navaratri look, and this video is going to be very practical. I really created this look in just 5 minutes and I used very minimal makeup products for this. So if you are interested to know how I created this, just keep watching the full video. But before that, subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that you'll never miss an update whenever I post a new video. So first I started with the Hydra moisturizer, which I am using from MyGlamm. This is my current favorite. My skin feels quite dehydrated these days, so this moisturizer is really good. Whenever I use this, my skin feels hydrated and glowy. After that, I am using illuminating primer again from MyGlamm. So skin prep is really important before the makeup. If your skin is healthy and glowy, then whatever makeup you put on above that comes out flawless. After the primer, I am directly applying the magic purple blush from Daughter Earth, and I am applying it to my cheekbones and nose to give it a sun-kissed effect. So what happens when you apply the blush underneath, it gives a really natural dewy effect to your face. After the blush, I am applying my favorite concealer from Bobbi Brown to the areas wherever I have uneven skin tone, or I want to highlight, like under my eyes, my nose, around my mouth, cupid bone, forehead. Then blending everything all together in dab-in motion by using my fingers only. I'm not using any beauty blender or brush here because it saves a lot of time whenever I use my fingers to do my makeup. Then the very important step, setting my concealer using banana powder from MyGlamm. I'm using it to the areas wherever I had applied the concealer. Now I'm using Blush+highlighter from Swiss Beauty, and this product is really amazing. I love it. It gives such a nice and natural glowy look after you apply it. Then I filled in my brows, and as I always say, I fill up my brows as natural as possible. So I just fill the sparse area so that my brows look more fuller. After filling my brows, I am using the spoolie which is available in the other side of the definer itself. So I am brushing my brows so that no harsh line left and it looks more natural. All the products that I am using in this video will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check it. I'll put the links also if possible, so don't forget to check the description. Now I'm using a blue eye pencil from Bobbi Brown and I'm applying it very close to my lash line. Then I'll smudge it using my finger to create a really natural smoky kind of look. So you can keep applying the eyeliner or eye pencil, whatever you have, and smudging it using your finger gradually till the time you are satisfied with the outcome. Then what I did is I applied a very little bit of highlighter to my eyes as an eyeshadow to give it a kind of sparkly look, you can say. Then I curled my lashes and applied a coat of mascara to both my upper and lower lashes. I have applied the mascara from Colorbar, which is Zoom and Woosh mascara, and I like it because it gives my lashes pretty much volume and it curls it out very nicely. Now lastly, I am applying a lip pencil to outline my lips and then applied a lipstick from MyGlamm itself. And here is the final look that I have created so far. Tell me in the comment section if you like this look or not. And just in case if you are recreating this look, do not forget to tag me on my socials or my Instagram. Then here it comes the main part of Navaratri look to create that black bindi look. So I have used my eyeliner to create that look. for which I applied few dots on my forehead and at the place of my wings and to my chin. I really enjoyed creating this look. I'm also loving the outfit which I'm wearing today. It has really nice and fine gota patti work which I got from the Jaipur itself. So I'm loving it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I love you all so much and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay stylish. Bye bye.